Pass to number 12.
Kuya Ace pumasok na.
82. Paras by number 18. Pass to number 1. That's on the 5. Yeah, easy to boy. Number 15. Pass to number 20. Jay Kamikaze. Jay. Pass to number 18. Number 18. Pass to Dawis.
Ah! Natapon! Hindi magandang laro ni Volter yata ngayon.
Number 1. 1 minute and 33 seconds.
Paano yung may lagnat?
Pass to Pableo. Pableo back to Unit 2. Harap by number 18 De La Ros. Number 12, 5. No good. Rebound by number 10. Dawis. Dawis. Pass to number 15. Number 15. Lay shot.
Yun naman! Sino magwa-warning?
Warning
Warning improper inbound.
Block!
Number 4. Natividad. Pass to number 12. Unit 2. Unit 2. Nakuha ni number 18. De La Cruz.
Galing!
De La Cruz. Pass to number 15. Lebron Lebron. Pableo. Nakuha ni number 10. Number 10.
Sayang.
Number 10 is Sulakasa. Yes.
Galing ni Nicky ah!
De La Cruz. De La Cruz for Gil. Very good. Natividad. Pass to number 12. Pinit sunod Ladhana. Alesha. Gil. 30 seconds.
Huwag madali. Ay.
Jay, pass to Sandoa. Sandoa punch. Yes. 20 seconds. Hilitsu. Nagmamadali si Hilitsu. Hilitsu side step. No one. Rebound by Jay. 13 seconds. Number 15. Pass to number 24. Nice game by number 15. 5 seconds.
5 seconds! Go!
Sayang. The score is... Excuse me.
Iping sayang, naka-video yun.
20-21.